Dr. B.K.S. Verma is one of the leading veteran and influential painters of India. Born to artist parents in 1949 in a village called Karnoor near the outskirts of Bangalore, Karnataka, he sincerely took to drawing at a very early age. He was hugely inspired by the legendary Raja Ravi Verma, whom he idolized to be his Manas Guru, which is how he came to alter his name from Srinivas Acharya to B.K.S. Verma. Dr. Verma's works have been exhibited internationally across the world. In the early days of his journey, there were times when he was totally broke and couldn't afford a brush. As an alternative, he resorted to using thread to paint, which helped him achieve a texture in his works. Dr. B.K.S. Verma is often asked about why he chose visual art as his vocation and whether one can survive on it. To which he says, one can survive anyhow. No one starves. It's only that I wanted to do something with my life. According to Dr. Verma, to merely draw is akin to only making a chart, but to experience and draw is art. He considers it is necessary to feel to experience. Feeling leads to expression. Once, the Maharaja of Mysore had graced the opening of an event where Dr. Verma used his nails to make his portrait. That led to the development of a new profound hobby to create artwork with nails. Dr. B.K.S. Verma is being felicitated by the Art Society of India this year and is being honored by the ASI's Kala Srujan Award 2021. He humbly confesses Just as God showers water on plants and they grow, likewise, awards are a constant encouragement to me. I am thankful to the Almighty for that. I consider this honor by the Art Society of India as a godsend. Dr. Verma, you have provided enriching experiences to all art lovers with your magnificent and wonderful paintings. We shall always remain indebted to you for this divine act.